Just wanted to show my old iPhone SE. Replaced the battery about 3 years ago, a little more than 3 years ago, and you can see that it's totally swollen now. And it's not being used that much. You can see over here it's totally popped out. So I just want to make a video about how if you get aftermarket batteries, it's really, you're really taking a chance. This one, I replaced the battery with an aftermarket battery off of, this one is Amazon over here, but this one over here is eBay. And it lasted for a little over a year before it got swollen too. So you can see the screen was lifting. I replaced it with another battery, but again, I just wanted to highlight that if you buy things through a third party, there's a high chance that the battery, you don't know how long it's going to last and it could swell up. So I wanted to show this one had swollen and I replaced it, and that was after a year. And this one got swollen after 3 years. There's no battery information over here when I go into settings. Luckily the screen still works, but here's what it shows. I'm going to replace the battery eventually. Here's the battery info. One of the reasons why it might be swollen is because it's such an old battery. Even though I bought it 3 years ago, the manufacture date was from, it's 2025 now, but manufacture date was, let's say round up, it's 2019. So they sold it a 3-year-old battery to me, which was not used. It was technically new, but then after 3 years of usage, it got swollen and is now bright like this. So anyways, that's my little short story. I mean, this is just anecdotal. I've only used a few batteries, but I do know like aftermarket batteries on eBay or Amazon might last anywhere from a year to 3 years. And so that's one of the things you should take into consideration if you might want to get it replaced by Apple instead. But it's always a crapshoot.